Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to connect to your computer from internet using free dynamic DNS. First, go to www.duckdns.org and log in using your choice of methods at the top. I use sign in with Google. Enter a name for your subdomain. For this, I will use netvn2, making my full domain netvn2.duckdns.org. Don't worry about setting your IP addresses yet. Click Install at the top, for their guide. Choose the domain you're using for your DNS. Under Operating Systems, select Windows GUI. Next, go to etx.ca and download and install the software. You need Java installed on your computer to run this software. Started, you should see a new tray icon appear. Right-click on the tray and choose Duck DNS Settings. You should now see the settings screen. On this screen you must change your token and domain to be the one you want to update. Then click OK to apply the new settings. You should now see the new tray icon. When you hover the mouse over it, you will see some details of its current status. Next, enable remote connections on Windows. The Remote Desktop app is easy to use to connect to other devices. First, set a password for your user account if you don't have it. Open Settings and then enable Remote Desktop. Next, allow the Remote Desktop app in Windows Firewall. You must also forward the TCP port 3389 on the router to allow a remote connection over the internet to the computer in the local network. Access the router by browsing the router IP address through web browser. Give a name, for example RDP. Enter 3389 in both public port box and private port box. Search for command prompt and click the top result to open the console. Type the ifconfig command to view the current IP address configuration. Enter your computer IP address in private IP box. You need to restart your computer to apply all the settings. To connect to your computer remotely, use these steps. Open Remote Desktop app. You should now be able to access your computer using netvn2.duckdns.org from the internet via remote desktop using any compatible remote desktop client and your domain name. Also, I have pre-configured FTP and OpenSSH service. You should be able to use your favorite FTP client to connect your created FTP server from internet. Open SFTP drive and give a name, for example OpenSSH. Enter your domain name. You will need to enter your Windows username and password to allow the program to connect to the server. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me 500,000 subscribers.